Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're talking about the stock market, and I'm here with my friend.
Hi guys, I'm the complete newbie here, so if you're starting out like me, this video is for you. What is the stock market? Explain the stock market to me.
Sure, the stock market is like a big marketplace where people buy and sell ownership in companies. These ownership units are called shares or stocks. Think of a company as a pizza, cut into slices. If you buy one slice, you own part of the pizza, or in this case, the company.
Why would a company sell its pizza slices though?
Great question. Companies sell shares to raise money. Maybe they want to open new branches, launch a product, or pay off debt. They do this by going public through something called an IPO,
Okay, so after the IPO, how do people buy and sell shares?
through stock exchanges like the NSE or BSE in India. You'll use a broker or a trading app to access these exchanges.
What makes a stock price go up or down?
Prices depend on demand and supply. If more people want to buy a stock, the price goes up. If more people want to sell, the price goes down. News, company performance, and global trends also play a big role.
So, how do I make money in the stock market?
There are two ways: capital gains, buy low, sell high; dividends. Some companies share their profits with shareholders, like a bonus.
What about risks? Can I lose money?
Definitely, stocks can lose value. That's why it's important to research before investing. Only invest money you can afford to lose.
What do I need to begin? To invest, you need a demat and trading account. To open this account, you need PAN card, bank account, and Aadhaar card. Any advice for newbies?
Start small, invest what you can afford to lose. Diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock. Be patient. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Keep learning, read books, follow news, and take courses.
Thanks, I feel much more confident now. Time to open my demat account.
If this helped you too, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beginner-friendly finance tips.
See you in the next video.